Wanna know how to invite friends in Dola? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily invite your friends in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you can just simply open up your dola.com website or the application itself. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Dola, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here with your avatar. Just simply click that. And now once you have figured that, here you should be seeing various options. Now on top here you should be seeing settings right here, just notice like that. Now once you have the settings, here you should be seeing various options. Now in order to invite friends to Dola, under help and feedback you should already be seeing invite friends or refer. So just simply like that. And now once you are done, you can just simply see the code has been copied. Now you can just simply head towards WhatsApp or Instagram or anything that you like and then just simply paste this code. So once that is done, your friends would be invited into Dola and you should be getting something. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.